So if you're a bass player and you want to take your groove to the next level, I have these two exercises for you. That's going to give you that speed you want, the comfortability and the flexibility when playing around your bass. Okay, so if you're interested, I recommend you watch the video to the end so that you can master and start using this exercise as a warm-up exercise. Okay, I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll be showing you the first exercise. 1 2 3 go. Your little finger is on 6. Okay, and in each of the progression we'll be using 2 strings to play this. So 6 on the 3rd string, okay, 7 on the 2nd string, your 1 on the 2nd string, okay, 6 7 1. Okay, so make sure that your fingers are so stable. Don't move your hand, you're only to move your fingers. Okay, so master this before you move to the next progression. So 6 6 7 1. So now you'll be going to your 2. On your 4th string, your little finger plays the 2. That's your 4th finger. Okay, then your 3rd string, your 1st finger plays the 3, and the 4 note, your 2nd finger plays the 4. Okay, on that same 3rd string. Okay, so you have 2 3 4 2 3 4. So if you join the 6 and the 2 progression, remember you have to play it 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Now to your 2 2 3 4. Now you'll be going to your 5, and now your little finger, your 4th finger, plays your 5 on the 3rd string. Your 1st finger plays your 6 on the 2nd string, and now your 3rd finger comes in to play your 7. You understand? So 5 6 7. You understand? Okay, so you see where my 6 is and where my 7 is. Okay, 5 6 7. You understand? Okay, so now you join all together. That is 6 2 5 6 2 5, and back to your 1. Okay, so one progression you'll be doing, you have your 1 here, that is your 2nd finger is playing your 1, your 4th finger is playing your 2 on that 4th string. Okay, and now your 3, your 1st finger on the 3rd string. Okay, so you have 1 2 3 1 2 3. So now you'll be going to your 4 4, your middle finger, just like how you did on your 1. You do that same to your 4 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6. You understand? Okay, so 6 2 5 1 4. Then your 7. Now your 7, all the notes will be played on the 4th string. You won't swap any string. Okay, 7 1 2, 1st finger, 2nd finger, your 4th finger, 7 1 2. You understand? Okay, so now to your 3, you're going to play 3 4, your 6 flat. So let me show you how to play the notes correctly. Okay, using your fingers. So your 1st finger plays your 3, your 2nd finger now plays your 4. So now your 6 flat, your 1st finger is going to play that 6 flat, and now your 2nd finger is going to play the 3, not the 1st finger anymore. The 2nd finger is going to play the 3, and the 3rd finger is now going to play the 4. So you can see on the screen how I'll swap my fingers. So come back to your 6. So first finger place your 6, third finger place your 7, your fourth finger on that same fourth string. Okay, so 6, 2, 5, 1, 4, 7, 3. Now to your 6. So if you have a metronome, start low, then try to increase it. Okay, okay, when you have mastered it very well, just try to be increasing the tempo of the metronome, and so that you can generate or get that speed you want whenever you're plucking or playing any note. Okay, so this is the first exercise. Now let's jump to the second exercise. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, so this is very simple. What I applied on that progression, you can do to all the whole progression. Okay, so the notes on 6 are, you have 6, 5, 6. So you pluck on 6, you pluck on 5, hammer on 6. You're going to use this to all of the progression, so you master them. So 6, 5, 6, 6, and you move to your 2, 2, 1, 2, to your 5, 5, 4, 5, to your 1, 1, 7, 1, to your 4, 4, 3, 4, to your 7, 7, 6, 7, to your 3, 3, 2, 3, to your 6, 6, 5, 6. This can be used in groove when you master. Especially you can use this in say something like that. Okay, and also the first exercise can also use in groove. So you can also create something with it. Okay, so try and master it. When you keep on playing it, you can get some ideas from this exercise. Okay, so this is for you, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.